Hello everyone, welcome to Immerse Education. I am Sagar Kathiria, your IELTS guide. In this Writing Task 2 series, today we are going to cover essay general structure. So today we will see the essay general structure. First of all, let's take an example that in the school, how do you generally write your answer? For example, this is the question. Some people think that the best way to run a business is within the family. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a family run business? So this is your question. This is the basic example. If this is the question, then normally you will write like this. First of all, you will write like advantages and disadvantages of a family run business are discussed below. Then you will write, you will do star like this, and then advantages of a family run business, then 4 to 5 point you will write. Then once again star disadvantages of a family run business, then 4 to 5 point you will write like this, correct? So now we have to convert this writing into formal writing. Understand this concept. Normally writing is, we can say that there are three types of writing or language. We can divide the language into three types: formal language, informal language, and semi-formal language. Formal language means written English. Whenever you are writing to any official authority, then it is called as a formal English. Informal, in the sense of whenever you are talking with your friends, it is called as an informal language, or you can say that casual language. Semi-formal language means whenever you talk to any familiar persons, but with at professional level, then it is called as a semi-formal. So here we have to see that IELTS writing is formal writing. Formal writing means we have to write in formal way only. So we have to follow rules and regulations as per formal writing. Clear? So now we are going to cover this informal writing into formal writing. So first we will decode. Here the full sentence, it is called as a thesis. Thesis means what we are going to do. This sentence represents that we are going to write advantages and disadvantages. So it is sort of question referencing. Question referencing in the sense it has taken the reference of question. What are the advantage and disadvantage of family run businesses? So it is called as a question referencing. But in that thesis or question referencing sentence, there is a mention of family run business, which is the topic. Best way to run a business is within the family. This is our essay topic. So we have covered essay topic also. So in the first sentence, in the first line, we have written essay topic along with thesis statement. So in formal writing, this is called as an introduction. We are going to see it in our formal structure. This is called as a introduction, essay topic plus thesis statement. Clear? This is our introduction part. Now, next. Here we have written, we can call it as sometimes subheading, advantages of a family run business. But the thing is that here we have represented first theme, here another subheading, this is our second theme. So the most important thing is that every body paragraph represents one theme only. We must ensure that whenever we are writing any body paragraph, then it must be related to only one theme. So here, this is our first theme. Now this heading, what does it show? That this is advantages and this is disadvantages. So our subheading represents the theme. So we have to represent our theme. In formal essay writing, we do it with the help of topic sentence. It is called as a topic sentence, the sentence which represents the theme. Now next, these bullet points or numbering, it is not allowed in formal writing. So instead of that, we are going to write the linker. Linker, like the most obvious one is, the first one is, the most evident one is now to write another idea. Furthermore, in addition, another advantage, another disadvantage. So this is called as a linker, which represents the flow. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like that. So we are going to use linker Now, this is our main idea. So simply it is our idea 1 and idea 2. So here we have written the formal essay structure. Topic sentence, linker idea and linker idea. Because we have stopped here. Why? Because in IELTS we only have to write 2 idea per theme or per question. One particular question related to one theme. So we are going to write only 2 idea. But the important part is here we have to explain also. So this is our body paragraph structure. Once again, see that this is our topic sentence related to one theme only. This is our linker, first two linker, first, second, third. This is our idea 1, this is our idea 2. And we have to add explanation of each part separately. And we are going to write in paragraph structure. So this creates our essay structure. Simple. This is our body structure of formal essay writing. Clear? In formal essay writing, body structure will be topic sentence, linker, idea, explanation, linker, idea, explanation. That's all. Once again, see that in another theme we have done the same thing. For theme 2 means in second theme related, this is our topic sentence, means disadvantages, topic sentence. Bullet point like structure means our linker. This is representation of idea. So here we have written idea 1 and idea 2. Now we have to add explanation part. So it makes our body paragraph structure. Clear? So here we have seen that how we can convert informal writing into formal writing. Now we are going to see proper structure of formal writing. We are going to summarize it into one proper structure. Clear? You can see that we have written here essay topic. This is topic sentence, linker idea, then topic sentence, linker idea. Clear? Now let's see. Clear? Now we are going to see the IELTS essay. In IELTS essay, first para is always related to introduction. In introduction, what do you have to do? First, ignore first part. Focus on paraphrase the essay topic and question referencing. We have seen that in normal basic informal essay writing, right? So topic of essay and question referencing. Here it is clearly written. Now see step by step. In introduction, it is written that the first thing is background statement, but it must be relevant and general to the topic, but it is optional. Then why like that? Because sometimes whenever you are going to read the sample answer online or from reference book, at that time you can find this in some answer. So at that time you should not worry about this thing because it is optional. If you are okay or if you have knowledge, sufficient background, then only you can write background statement. Clear? But it is optional and I suggest that you should not write it because for different type of essay you have to brainstorm different type of background statement and it is not easy task, right? Now next, paraphrase the topic of essay. As topic of essay, we easily know that okay, it is mentioned in question, so it is the topic of essay. But here we have written paraphrase. Paraphrase means what? In some simple terms, we can say that paraphrase means wording will be changed, but meaning will remain same. So we have to write like that. Meaning will remain as it is. The best method we can say that is synonyms or popular method. Most of the students use synonyms to write the paraphrasing. So here we have to do paraphrase. There is a separate lecture or separate topic related to paraphrasing. Clear? So we have to do paraphrasing of essay topic. But here I have written 80%. 80% means what? We have to do paraphrasing in accurate and appropriate way. We cannot just write like that any word or related word. We have to be accurate. So you can ignore 20% part of which you can't do any paraphrasing like that. Another one is question referencing. In earlier example, we have seen that advantages and disadvantages are discussed in the discussed below. It is called as a thesis statement. But what does it represent? It generally refer to question. So it is called as a question referencing. But question referencing can be done in two ways. First is stand, second is thesis. Whenever there is a demand of stand or position in the question, at that time you have to mandatory take stand or position. But there is no requirement of stand or position. At that time you can write just simply a thesis statement. Thesis statement looks simple. We will give you the example. At that time you can simply see that there is no need to brainstorm or anything like that. Clear? So it is called as a thesis. So in the simple way to conclude the introduction, we can say that in introduction portion there are two components. First one is the paraphrasing of essay topic. Second one is the thesis statement or stand whenever there is a requirement. Then now we will see the body paragraph. Normally we have to write two body paragraph, because in the most of IELTS essay there will be generally two themes in the question, like cause solution, cause effect, advantage disadvantage, discuss both view, agree side, disagree side. So mostly there will be only two themes. So at that time we can do that first theme in first para, second theme in second para. Clear? So now let's focus on body paragraph 1. Here it is clearly mentioned that body paragraph 1 will represent theme 1 or first theme, like causes or solutions or effects or advantages or disadvantages. Here we have to write two ideas. Normally in some cases one idea is also accepted, but we have here maintained the stand that we normally are going to write two ideas per theme. So two ideas. Now we will see the structure which is similar to the previous example. See that topic sentence, linker, idea, explanation, linker, idea 2 and explanation. Topic sentence represents the theme of body paragraph, like discussing the advantages or discussing the causes. Means this para is related to causes or advantages. Another, then linker, first one, second one, the most obvious one. Then idea 1, you have to write idea. Then explanation, we will focus on explanation part later on. There is a separate mini lecture related to explanation, that how can we explain the idea. Then another linker means we have to write another idea. So for that we have to use linker, then another idea and explanation of that idea. So this is your simple essay body paragraph structure. Here the point is written like that. Essay explanation must be linked with main essay topic. Both essay explanation. It will be generally of 2-4 sentence. So we have roughly given you the sentence requirement. So according to you, you can fulfill the requirement of word limit. Because average we have to write 250 words, but we are going to aim for 270 words. So if you are going to use 4 sentences for explanation of each idea, then you can easily achieve 270 words overall. Clear? So this is our body paragraph structure. It will remain the same. So we will see body para 2 directly because it is the same. Body para 2, theme 2, 2 ideas, topic sentence, linker, idea 1, explanation, linker, idea 2 and explanation. And both the explanation will be connected with the main essay topic, each having 4 sentences per explanation. Clear? So this is our body para. Once again, in body paragraph there will be topic sentence which represents the theme. Linker means to showcase the sequencing. Idea means main idea will be there. And explanation to justify your idea. Then another linker to showcase the sequence of another idea. Then another main idea will be there, and there will be explanation for that also. Clear? So this will be your body paragraph. Now let's check the conclusion. We haven't seen this in previous example because in normal writing we are not writing conclusion, but in essay writing we are normally writing the conclusion part. So in conclusion, first we have to write the concluding linker, like to conclude. Now normally I have seen many students making a list of many concluding linker, like to concluding, conclusion, to sum up, the wrap up, the discussion, and many more like that from the internet. But we have to focus on one concluding linker, Why? Because in exam we are going to write one essay. In one essay we have to write only one linker. Then why we have to make list of that? Clear? So to conclude, and there will be comma. So this is your concluding linker. With the help of this, examiner will know that okay, this is the concluding paragraph. Then restatement of essay topic. Essay topic means whatever we have written in introduction, we have to do restatement, means paraphrasing, simple. And summarize the main point. Main point, it is written in body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. For example, cause and solution, yes sir. Then in body para 1 we have given 2 causes, in body para 2 we have given 2 solutions. So we are going to summarize these all 4 main ideas into conclusion. But here we have to do paraphrasing, just simple, because we cannot do copy paste each and every word. Clear? So this is the mandatory requirement or basic requirement of conclusion. Concluding linker, essay topic and main point with the help of paraphrase. Here once again there is an optional part. Writer's flavor, fear, hope or recommendation. It is not mandatory. But then why I have written here? It is just there in the case of backup. For example, you have written your word, but there is a lack of around 20 or 30 words. Then you cannot idea anywhere like that. So at that time, you can add 1 to 2 simple sentence showing fear, hope or recommendation in the end of conclusion. So it will help you to achieve your word limit. So basically, this is your essay structure. Clear? Once again, in essay structure, we have seen that there will be intro, body 1, body 2, conclusion. In intro, we have seen that there will be paraphrase the essay topic, question referencing with the help of stand or thesis. Body para 2, topic sentence, linker idea explanation, linker idea explanation. Body para 2, topic sentence, linker idea explanation, linker idea explanation. Conclusion, concluding linker, restatement of essay topic, plus we have to summarize the main idea. Clear? Thank you.